Welcome to another how-to video. How to add or play and invite friends in T3 Arena. Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can invite your friends in T3 Arena. To add or play and invite friends, click the friend icon on the upper right side, just beside the three bars. As you can see, you are in a social setting. Click add. Now, these are the players who play at the T3 Arena. It's up to you which players you want to add. To invite players, click the Friends tab at the right side of your screen. Click Invite, and there you go. The invite has been sent, and that's how you can play with friends on T3 Arena. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.